Hey guys, welcome to my video, and this is my first video with my actual voice. Today we'll be intercepting tornadoes. I'm not really intercepting, just becoming the probe. Anyways, let's get into it. So we got a tornado forming north, so we're gonna turn around, try and get in front of it and get in front of it. So I feel like we should just go just right past the barn right here. There's the tornado. We got rotation. Sorry if I sound like really unenergetic. I just came back from high school and all that. Okay, we need to actually get there real quick because it seems like it's gonna get there really soon. Oh no, it is growing. It is growing. Okay, we need to get my probe now. Oh god, trees are getting sucked up. Trees are getting sucked up. Okay, I need to be really slick with this, or I'm gonna end up becoming Tristex. Okay. Where's my probe? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god, no! Bug X, am I right? Okay, oh my god. I am dead, I am dead. I am dead. Okay. Seems like we got the correct spot. I'm gonna pull out this intersection. Okay. Alright. A little up. Come on. We just missed it. Oh well. I guess we'll become the probe then. I guess we'll become the probe instead. Okay, let's get in front of this bad boy. Oh yeah. We're becoming the probe. We're becoming the probe. Weak. It's 100. It's 100. Isn't like the threshold, like, isn't every, like, I don't know. I'm literally in the core. I'm literally in the core. Okay. I do not want to jump out, but instead, I know I can't deploy my God. Dumb. Oh, I'm sliding. I'm just cruising in the tornado. Ow. Anyways, let's just keep on going. I didn't see that tree there. I must be blind. Oh. Wow, congratulations. You just earned the shortest tornado ever award. Yay. Okay, I'm out. That was boring. If you think about it, tornadoes are just like the clouds are basically like forming tornadoes just so they can like be friends with like everybody. They like everybody. It's like everybody that the tornado sucks up and all that. I didn't mean over there. No, I didn't mean. Okay, this tornado is kind of following a similar path. Okay, we won't be able to. Okay, we gotta go south. South again. It's almost like every tornado I come across always goes like south and all that. None of them go. Only some of them go north. None of them go west, east, and west. Let's see how strong this tornado is going to be. Are you serious? I'm pretty sure I've seen like 2 other ropes before. But they were like when I joined and all that. So I didn't really get to see all of its lifetime. Anyways, okay. I think I'm gonna like take this. Oh god. That would have been good if I was actually trying to escape a tornado. Yeah, I'll go down this road right here. Oh, come on! Come here. Come here! Don't you dare lift on me. Don't you dare lift. Oh yes, we're gonna get direct contact. Yes! Yeah! We intercepted with this one. Literally. Like, I'm literally am intercepting with this tornado. Wee. Yeah, I want to go in the spirally wind, Mum. I want to go in the spirally wind, Mum. Why am I levitating? Yeah. Man, this is boring. This is boring ads. Wait, this tornado is not even worth it. All it's gonna do is just get. See? It's lifting. It's lifting. Oh, come on. I wanted to get some sick tornadoes, like a wedge or something, but all I got is 2 tornadoes. One didn't even last long. One is just a stupid ass rope. Thanks for watching this video and all that. And just one thing before I end the video. These tornadoes suck. Like and subscribe. And remember, where the wind screams, we chase. Peace.